Make sure to check out the Razer Deathadder Elite on Amazon using the link in the description. As a gamer, your gaming mouse may be the most important piece of hardware you have, second only to your PC. The mouse you use can highlight or limit your ability to aim, as well as many other necessary skills required to be an amazing gamer. This review is of the highly praised and esports ready Razer Deathadder Elite gaming mouse. Looking at the design of the Razer Deathadder Elite, the mouse itself is 5 inches long, 2.9 inches wide, 1.7 inches tall, and weighs about 4.6 ounces. The mouse itself is ergonomically designed and contoured to fit perfectly in the palm of your hand and keep your hand comfortable for even the longest gaming sessions. I have used the Razer Deathadder Elite for countless 10+ hour gaming sessions, and my hand has never felt even the slightest bit uncomfortable. The mouse is covered in a highly durable matte black plastic casing that looks amazing. I've been using my Razer Deathadder Elite for over 3 years now and have never had any durability issues. Speaking of looking amazing, the Razer Deathadder Elite of course has some RGB lights. The Razer logo on the front of the mouse as well as the scroll wheel light up, and the RGBs can be controlled via the Razer Synapse software, as well as be synced with all of your other RGB Razer gear. The Razer Deathadder Elite also has rubber side grips on the lower part of the left and right sides. These provide all the grip you would ever need on a gaming mouse, and they feel amazing. The Razer Deathadder Elite has been built with 4 programmable buttons. There are 2 of these buttons on the top of the mouse and 2 on the left side of the mouse. Using the free Razer Synapse software, these buttons can be programmed with all sorts of actions. You can even program custom macros into any of these buttons. The performance of the Razer Deathadder Elite is simply put, amazing. The mouse is precise and has lightning fast response time. The high precision optical sensor goes up to a whopping 16,000 dpi, which can guarantee you won't miss a single pixel. All in all, you should definitely consider picking up the Razer Deathadder Elite mouse. It is the best gaming mouse I have ever used, and thousands of people agree. Thank you for watching this review of the Razer Deathadder Elite gaming mouse, and make sure to check it out on Amazon with the link in the description.